Hey, what's up my millionaire brothers? What's going on? Today video I gonna show you the Cardano moving up, the Cardano price prediction to Cardano is going up in upcoming days and Cardano going down. Absolutely, this is very important for every Cardano holder to he decide to this is selling time, buying time or holding time. So let's get started the Cardano price prediction. But I request you, my brother, if you are new on our channel, then most welcome and please click the subscribe button. Please click the subscribe button for new viewers. Please most welcome to our channel. Please subscribe our YouTube channel for latest news and updates. Guys, this time I'm gonna show you the last 24-hour result, and then we decide to they going up on upcoming days, and then they on upcoming days they going down. So definitely this is very important for every holder to they understand to they going up or they going down. Then we decide to this is selling time, buying time or holding time. Yes, let's get started. First of all, I'm going to show the last one here and then the latest 1 hour chart also. So this time, if you can see here in the last one day, in the last 1 day chart, if you can see here, this time the change occurred and 1.72% going up. So congratulations, my brother. The result as a positive, definitely they going up. Definitely they going up, my friend, in upcoming time. You can see here the highest price, the latest price of one Cardano coin is 1.49 US dollar. But if you can see here this time, the price of latest is 1.48 US dollar. So you can see here the chain. Absolutely the price this time is increased now, but in the last 1 hour I think they decreased. So this time if you see here they take a very high jump starting, and I hope in upcoming days they're going up very fastly, and today they can hit easily 1.60 US dollar. Yes, they can easily cross 1.60 US dollar, and the end of this month they give you 2 US dollar easily. They give you a 2 US dollar just at the end of this month. So what you say, can they can hit it? I hope they hit it. Please wait for a good time. What's going on? I hope good is a good time is coming soon, and I think they can easily today, because if they're moving like this, you can see here this is very good chance, man. This is not a bad. If they're going up like this, then absolutely definitely they can hit 1.60 US dollar, my friend. Oh my goodness, I am right. You can see here this is the last 1 hour Cardano holder. What a brilliant start jump. They're going up, definitely they're going up in upcoming days. You can see here they're totally moving up. You can see here they take a high jump and they're moving up. What a chance, man. What a system. You can see here very amazing process. They're going up in upcoming days. So definitely, my friends, this time 1.29% they're going up in last 1 hour. You can see here the price change and to 1.49 US dollar. So I hope my friends, if the price is moving up like this, then they can easily cross just today 1.6 US dollar, and and the end of this month they can easily hit it 2 US dollar. So what you say, please tell me my opinion as that to please, if you have any plan to buy more, then I think this is good time to you buy it and hold it and wait for good time. Please and wait for good time and sell it which good when good time is coming. Okay, then they make you millionaire. They give you very good profit. Thanks for watching, friends. Please click the subscribe button. If you are new on our channel, please click the subscribe button. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz. Take care.